Hello and welcome to the Heat Team Support video gallery. This video provides information on the precautionary measures you can take to prevent your condensate pipe from freezing. We recommend that all customers ask a gas-safe registered engineer to carry out any remedial work. There are a number of solutions you can use, the simplest of which is to insulate the condensate pipe with a waterproof and weatherproof insulation around the outside of the pipe. This is available from DIY outlets and plumbing, heating suppliers. Changing the way in which we use the boiler during harsh cold spells can also help to minimise the risk of the condensate pipe freezing. During the cold spell, it may help to temporarily run the heating system with the boiler thermostat, as distinct from the room thermostat, set to maximum. Turn back to the normal setting used once the cold spell is over. It may also help to temporarily set the central heating timer or programmer to continuous 24-hour mode, setting the room thermostat overnight to around 15 degrees Celsius. Again, return to the normal settings once the cold spell is over. Longer term options you should consider are increasing the diameter of the external pipe size of the condensate pipe system. In all cases, the pipe should be a minimum of 32 mm diameter and also be insulated. The ideal solution would be to have the condensate pipe reinstalled and routed internally to discharge into the household plumbing system, rather like your washing machine would do. If there is no alternative than to run the pipe externally, then this should be for the shortest route possible, with few bends and with a considerable sloping fall across its whole length. In all cases, the pipe should be a minimum of 32 mm diameter and also be insulated. On a first floor condensate drainage system, and particularly in flats, installing a condensate pump to move the condensate to where it needs to be discharged can be a better solution. And finally, consider installing a trace heat system. A trace heat system is an additional installation attached to the condensate pipe. A temperature sensor fitted outside the property measures temperature, and if the outdoor temperature falls to 3 degrees Celsius or below, the sensor will switch on an electrical current that will pass down through the trace heating wire, keeping the condensate pipe warm and eliminating any chance of the condensate pipe freezing. Insulation is added over the top of the trace heat wire, helping to retain heat and protect the system. The trace heat system has been proven to stop condensate pipe freeze at temperatures below -40 degrees Celsius and comes in a variety of sizes to fit most properties. Make sure that you are prepared for the winter and ask your installer or gas-safe registered engineer to review the installation of the condensate discharge during your annual boiler service. All products mentioned can be purchased through our Interpart Spares Division stockists, details of which can be found at www.otif.com. Thank you for watching.